look at some shoes for Sean? Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, we won't be long.
Sure, no problem. We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
Oh, he's gone.
Jason!
There he is. Go after him.
Jason!
He just keeps saying it.
Jason! Jason!
Probably one of the most famous
Jason.
things in gaming. This. I know. It's just
Jason!
hilarious.
Jason!
He just keeps saying it.
Jason! Jason!
Yeah.
Jason!
It's not gonna stop.
Jason!
Just doesn't listen, does he? The kid just keeps moving. He's like, he has no respect for his dad in any way. Oh, he's going. What's he doing now? What do you want?
Jason, you really shouldn't wander off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Great!
That would be $10.
Hey, champ. What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
Here you go. That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
Oh shit. Wait, Jason.
Change.
I got the right pocket. Good. Where is he? Where's he gone? This kid's so quick.
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon, I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him. I'll be right back.
Jason, where are you?
Jason!
Look on the balloon. He's got a red balloon.
Jason!
Where is he?
Jason!
What are we over there for? Oh, yeah, walk down. Oh, is he down there? What's he doing down
Quick,
there?
I need to go downstairs now or I'm gonna lose him in the crowd.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Jason!
Excuse me. Come down.
Jason!
Jason! Jason! Bloody kid!
Jason!
He sits, there's a red balloon right there, look. That's him. Green shirt.
Jason!
Come on, get to him.
Jason!
There's so many bloody people.
Jason!
So many balloons.
Jason!
Where is he?
Jason! Jason!
What's he doing? Where is he?
Jason!
Is he outside? What's he going outside for by himself?
Jason!
He's right there, is he there?
Jason!
I can see him. Go.
Jason!
Is that where he is?
Jason!
Where the hell is the kid?
Jason!
There's so many people. Why is this like so busy? Is it like Black Friday or
Jason!
something?
Jason!
Hey, man, walk in the go.
Jason!
Jason!
A red balloon? There's one over there. One over there. Come on, they come. Yeah, that's definitely him. That's definitely him. I'm just over there. Shit. Go! Jason, stop moving.
Jason!
Why does he not listen? He has no respect for his dad.
Be careful, right?
Just doesn't want us. There he is. Oh shit.
Shit!
He's over there.
Dad!
So Ethan looks a little bit different right now. This is now 2 years later. Jason has sadly passed away after the accident, and there's no sign of the other half either. To be honest, at times I've watched that beginning bit a few times now. I still understand how Ethan didn't save Jason. It looks like he saves him every time. Whatever. Anyway, let's get in the car. Let's run down. You getting it? Oh, is it the other side? Is it the other side? It might be, because it's obviously in America. Yes, it is. Oops. Sorry. I'm a UK twat, I guess. Alright, let's check the mirror. Doesn't look quite his usual self. Seatbelt on. Got to keep nice and safe. It looks automatic as well, so that's good. No gear changes. Drive. David Cage. What a legend. Love that guy. Yeah, I definitely think the graphics look better. Especially that bit there where it just went really close to the face. Just looks better, for sure. I'm not sure how much. It looks better though. That's all I can say. A newspaper. Anything on it? Anything? It looks mildly interested. The origami killer strikes again. The first time we ever hear that origami killer. Okay. 7th victim identified. 7th. Oh, he's not found that, is he? Okay, why is that? Is there a room here? Ooh, what's this? Is it a toilet? It is. Yeah, it's not quite the quality home he did have. Okay, we just gone inside the toilet for no reason. Fair enough. Sort of locked it behind us. Right, so we go over here. We can look at the schedule and see what we have to do. So what time is this? So 4:30 a snack. 6 PM is homework. 7 PM is dinner. 8 PM is bed. There he is. Would you like an apple? The answer will probably be no, but
Here, Sean. Here's your snack.
enjoy
Thanks,
it.
Dad.